Good morning, everybody. It is time for a new day. So let's go ahead and first things first, let's check in on our mood meter and see how we're feeling. Remember, yesterday I told you to try to think instead of just saying yellow, green, blue, or red, think about actually the word for how you're feeling. So I'm feeling pretty chill right now. I'm feeling pretty loving. I love these little baby chicks over here that are so cute. We're going to see them later during our Zoom lesson, but do you want a little sneak peek at them? Let's see if I can show you real quick without breaking anything. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Here they are. Say hi, little chicks. But later today, whenever Miss Thompson's class Zooms, we will be able to see them more, okay? So that was cool. Ah, we lost the whole screen. There we go. Um, So we will have to see them later, but that's why I'm feeling chill and loving because I just love those little baby chicks. They're so cute. And I love all of you guys and love seeing all the videos and all the work you guys are doing. I'm so proud of you. It makes me so happy. All right, so let's keep going. Now remember, it is a new month. It is not March anymore. Today is the first day of April. That's right. It is the first day of April. So when we switch this page, you're going to see a new calendar. All right, here we go. Here it is. Here is our new calendar. So let's just look at it for a minute. And what do we see? Well, I definitely noticed a lot of birthday cakes, and we're going to talk about some of these birthdays here soon, okay? We're going to talk about some of these. And I'm not going to tell you who all the birthdays are just yet. And then I see this happy Easter. So that means that's Easter. I see little Easter eggs. And then you see this Earth? That is our planet. That is Earth Day. That is Earth Day. So we'll be able to talk about Earth Day when we get closer to that. And then remember what this one stands for? What are these for? Yeah, these are all say no school. Oh, Easter's in the wrong spot. Hold on. Easter is down here. There we go. Pretty sure that's right. There we go. Okay, sorry. Okay, so yeah, these all mean no school. No school. So this means we don't have school those days. And do you know why? That's called spring break. That's a break we have in school where we don't have any school and everybody takes a break. Usually it's around Easter time and in the spring. That's why it's called spring break. Now, you guys won't have any lessons from me during this time. We're all on a break, okay? And so after we finish, okay, today is Wednesday. After we finish today and tomorrow and Friday, there will be a break, and then we will have new lessons. And we're going to have some new things that are going to be mailed to your house, some new activities, new books for writing. We're going to do a new type of writing, and we're going to learn all about that stuff. Okay, so new things are coming. When you get your new packet, when your new packet comes in the mail, do not use any of it yet. Do not use any of it yet. And I'll email that to your parents too, but um don't use it. Okay, wait till we get to these weeks down here, and that's when we're going to use it. All right, so let's go ahead. And we said it's April, so we need to write the word April, and we're going to write it together. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this yellow. I want you to write April with me on your paper. You should have paper. Now, April starts with A. You can hear it. It makes the long A sound. It says its name. Say April. You can hear that A. So and the months are uppercase. So let's write an uppercase A. Ape. Yep, there's a P. Ape. There's an R. And then an I. And then an L. And that says April because it is April. It's still 2020. The year has not changed. We haven't been through a whole year yet. And then this is today. Today is Wednesday. It's music today. So there's going to be a music video for you that you can watch. If Miss Thompson's class, I'm going to share it on my blog, and you guys can see a music video for Mr. Sheepy, two of them. Now it's April what? We don't even have to count. It's just the first. So we need to look for a 1. And when you see the 1, you need to put your hands on top of your head when you see the 1. Is it over? I'm looking. Do I see it? Y'all tell me where it is. No? Not here? Oh, over here. Okay, good. Whew, found it. All right, so it's a 1 here. So let's say the date together. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Great job. Now, guys, look, we have a first April birthday tomorrow. That is James's birthday. So we might have to talk about James's birthday tomorrow. We'll see. All right, James, be ready for that. All right, let's keep going, okay? You guys are doing awesome. And remember, I'll tell you about all these other birthday cakes tomorrow. I actually might put some people's names with them so we know whose everybody is, because there's some more I need to add still. All right, so it's our first day of the weather graph for April. We need to write April up here because this is, oh my goodness, this is the April weather graph. So let's write A, P, R, I, L. Why does it keep doing that? My goodness. There we go. Now, we need to check the weather. Go ahead and go check the weather where you are. Go ahead and go check the weather. See what the weather is. And then I'm going to check the weather too. So right today, it's going to be sunny and cloudy. And there it's going to be 61 degrees. So yesterday was a little chillier. It's going to be a little warmer today. Tonight's going to be chilly, but the day's going to be nice. So right now, if I look out the window, I see some clouds again. I see clouds right now. It's cloudy a lot when Miss Thompson does this. I'm going to use this gray for clouds, and I'm going to color in a cloudy day. Whoops, that's a little too thick. All right, I'm going to color cloudy day. Now, guys, we had 0 cloudy days, and we added 1. So how many do we have? Yes, we have 1. 0 plus 1 makes 1. So we have 1 cloudy day. So we can write a 1. That's really easy, right? A 1. And then what do the rest of these have? Yeah, the rest of these have 0 right now because it's the first day of April, so we've only done 1. So these all have 0. They're all equal. They're all 0. And then what has the most? Cloudy. Yeah. All the chicks fell asleep. All right. Now, let's keep going. Great job on the weather, okay? All right, now we have to figure out how many days we have left in kindergarten. Now it's going to change because there's not going to be 4 10s anymore, is it? Let's see. We're going to erase 1. And now we are going to count by 10s, okay? And then by 1s and see how many days are left in school. I want you to try it right now by yourself. Go ahead and try it. All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Yes. So how many 10s are there? There are 3 10s. And how many 1s were there? There were 9. And that's how we got 39. I hope you're writing your numbers with me. We have 39 days left in school, which is just crazy to me. All right. 39 days of things to learn, okay? All right, next page. Time for our snap word of the day. And the snap word that we did yesterday was a color word, right? And it was red. Well, I'm going to teach you another color word today. Ready? What color word do you think we could do? I'm going to show it to you. Whoops. All right. The word we are going to do today is yellow. We're going to talk about the word yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Starts with Y. All right. Go ahead and study or read it. Everybody read the word yellow. All right. Now study the word yellow. What do we see in the word yellow? It's definitely not a CVC word, right? It's a longer word. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants. And how many vowels do we have? Yeah, we have 2 vowels, E and O. Those are 2 vowels. Now, how many parts does yellow have? Let's clap it out. Yell-O. Now listen, 2 parts, right? So how many vowels? Remember, every word part needs a vowel. So here's yell, O. So we have to have those 2 vowels, don't we? Because there's 2 parts. Awesome. Yeah, I see 2 tall letters and they're both the same. They're both L's. And I see that Y does have a tail. Good job. There's a lot of things to talk about in this word. Very good. Let's spell it. Let's spell it together. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Good job. Now let's write it again. Everybody write it. Now remember, when you write it on your paper, try to write it without looking at the word here. Try to write it on your paper. And this one's tricky, so you might have to look, because this word is one that it might not even be on our Rainbow Snap word list. But I like to practice the color words sometimes, and we've gone over so many words, I thought it would be fun to do some color words. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Good. Now, we're going to write a sentence. I picked yellow because I'm sitting over here looking at some of these little baby chicks, and some of them are yellow. So we're going to write, I see a yellow chick. Okay, I see a yellow chick. You ready to write that with me? All right. I is the first word of the sentence, and the word I is always what? Yes, it's always uppercase. So let's write I. Now we need a finger space. Don't forget your finger spaces. And now you need the word see. That's a snap word. You should be able to write it in a quick snap. I see. All right, now you need another finger space. And we can write the word a. I see a yellow. Now that's the word up here, right? So everybody finger space and let's write yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Good. I see a yellow, all right, chick. Now we know that ch digraph says ch. What 2 letters say ch? Yes, C and H, just like in Chapel and Chandler or Chuck E. Cheese. All right, I see a yellow chick, so we know CH. Now what vowel do we hear in ch, ick? Yes, an I, chick. C or K, you hear it could be either one, right? I'm going to put a C. I see a yellow chick and put a period. Perfect, everyone. Perfect. Look at that sentence. Let's read it. Let's read it. I see a yellow chick. Great job. You've done all the steps to learn a word. I'm so proud of you. All right, let's move on to our math, okay? So yesterday we did a story problem with eggs, right? We did eggs. And I am going to do one with, I'm going to do one with flowers today. I'm going to draw some flowers. You want to draw some flowers with me? I think that'll be fun. All right, so Miss Thompson picked, we're actually going to do, you know what might be fun? What if I say the story problem and you have to tell me, are we adding together or are we taking away? All right, so listen to my story. Okay, listen. Miss Thompson picked 4 flowers, and Sammy, my little girl, picked 4 flowers. How many flowers do we have all together? What was that? Am I adding flowers together or am I taking flowers? Yeah, we're adding them together because I have 4, Sammy has 4. We're putting them together. We're going to see how many we have. If it said I had 4 and then I gave them away, that would be subtraction. All right, so we're adding. So let's draw our picture to go with our story. So how many flowers did I say I picked? Yes, I picked 4 flowers. So I'm going to draw flowers. And I mean, there's all different ways to draw flowers, but sometimes I like to make little tulip flowers. So here's 1. I'm going to draw all the tops and then I'll draw all the bottoms. 2, 3, 4. So here's 4 flowers that Miss Thompson picked, right? I picked 4. Okay. And then Sammy picked 4 flowers. So we need to draw 4 more flowers, right? So I'm going to draw them over here, and I'm just going to kind of draw these kind of flowers this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I might draw a little yellow thing in the middle. Miss Thompson likes to draw. And drawing is relaxing. And coloring is relaxing. Okay, so we have 4 flowers for Miss Thompson and 4 flowers for Sammy. How many flowers do we have all together? And yes, you said we were adding, and we are adding. Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8. All right. Let's write the equation. Okay, let's write the equation. 4, everybody write with me, plus 4 equals, how do we do the equal sign? Yes, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Great job with your equation. I'm so proud of you. Now you could do these problems outside today. Maybe you guys go outside and you do your own story problems with real flowers. You could pick some flowers. You know those little like white ones, the clover flowers, but then there's also those little like yellow ones. You could get some of the white ones and some of the yellow ones, and then you could put them together and you could see how many you have. Maybe I'll do that today. And then tomorrow I can do one with you with real flowers. That would be fun. All right, you guys did a great job on your calendar lesson. In your new packets that you're going to get too, that we're sending to you, you're going to have a new calendar packet. And in the calendar packet, you're going to be able, and everybody's getting this, Miss Johnson, Miss Thompson's class, you're all getting the same calendar packet, and you're going to be able to follow along with me on calendar. So like when we get to the calendar and the mood meter, you're going to have your own mood meter. And when we get to the calendar page, you're going to have your own April calendar, and you can write the numbers on it with me. There's going to be a graph in there for you, and there's going to be pages for you to do your words of the day and your math of the day. So you're going to have your own little calendar packet to follow along with me during calendar time. So I'm excited about that. So I'll talk to you more about that whenever we get it. Oh, I might have a sneak peek of it. Let me see. I do have a sneak peek of it. Do you want to see it? All right, it's going to look like this. So everybody's going to get their own calendar. Let me show you. I'll move this bigger now that we know how to do that. So everybody's going to get their own calendar notebook like this, a place to put your name. And inside, you're going to have, you're going to have your own mood meter. Okay, and you're going to have your own calendar to fill in with me. We're going to have to fill it in together once you get it. This is after spring break. Okay, and parents, I'll do another video to tell you what all's in the packet. Look, and you have your own weather graph, and then you have places to write your word of the day and your math. Okay, and you have a bunch of pages for that. So I'm so excited that we're going to have our new calendar notebooks to use. And those are going to be for after spring break. Remember, when you get them, are you going to start coloring in them? Are you going to start writing on it? No, no, no. You're going to wait for Miss Thompson. Wait for me. Don't start using it yet. Keep it in your packet and save it for after spring break. Okay? All right. And we'll go over what all's in there, parents, on a different video. All right. Great job, everybody. Bye.